Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your HP laptop model and whether Windows 7 is 32-bit or 64-bit, because updates differ. Next, back up critical files and plug the charger in so the battery won't interrupt installs. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Ethernet is preferable. Once done, open Control Panel, go to System and Security, and click Windows Update. Then select Check for Updates. This triggers the list of available security and system patches you will install next. Now focus on downloading and installing gaps. Choose important and security updates first because they fix vulnerabilities. If drivers are missing, pick recommended selectively. Drivers can break functionality if wrong. Start the install and watch for progress. Some packages extract, then install, then require a reboot. Allow those cycles without interrupting. After the first pass, repeat check for updates to catch rollups. If device drivers remain outdated, visit HP Support or the Microsoft Update Catalog to get finished by confirming all updates applied. Open View Update History and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter to resolve residual errors. Make sure system restore points exist before major changes. If an update fails repeatedly, stop the Windows Update service. Clear the software distribution folder to remove corrupted cache, then restart services and retry. You kept that backup, right? For driver issues, roll back via Device Manager or use HP Recovery Media to restore stability. If problems persist, note the error codes and contact HP support with them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.